Look, I've spent years crawling through attics and mechanical rooms, first as a nuclear power electrician, and then for nearly 2 decades in the HVAC trenches. When you've worked on reactor power systems, you stop looking at the shiny brochures and start looking at the copper, the welds, and the electrical draw. Today, we're putting two heavy hitters in the ring, the Daikin DX9VC and the Fujitsu FOC18. Both of these are ducted split systems, but they take very different approaches to keeping your house cool. Starting with the build, both the Daikin DX9VC and the Fujitsu FOC18 feature heavy gauge louvered coil guards. This is exactly what I like to see in the field. Those louvered panels actually protect the delicate aluminum fins from hail weed whackers or the neighbor's kid. In my experience, if you don't have that steel protection, a single rogue branch or a careless pressure washer can flatten your fins and kill your airflow for good. When we talk efficiency, the Daikin DX9VC is an absolute powerhouse, hitting up to 22.5 SEER2 using a variable speed inverter swing compressor. This tech ramps up and down like a dimmer switch rather than clicking on and off, which eliminates those massive inrush currents that beat up your capacitors and hard start your motor. The Fujitsu FOC18 is also an inverter-driven system, but it pulls a lower efficiency at 18 SEER2. While both use inverter technology to keep the electrical draw smooth, the Daikin is operating at a much higher efficiency level. Money-wise, the Daikin DX9VC is a premium investment. The unit itself ranges from $4,000 to $6,200 for equipment, with total professional installation packages typically landing between $14,000 and $20,000. The Fujitsu FOC18 is priced more conservatively, with the outdoor unit often retailing around $3,000 and total equipment packages near $6,500. While the Fujitsu saves you money up front, you're paying for a massive leap in efficiency with the Daikin that pays dividends on your monthly utility bill and long-term durability. Midpoint check. If you want this gear to last, you've got to keep those coils clean. A dirty coil is a compressor killer. The real field-tested truth comes out in the warranty. Daikin is currently leading the pack with a 12-year limited warranty on parts and a 12-year unit replacement warranty if that compressor ever fails. Fujitsu offers a solid 10-year parts and 10-year compressor warranty, provided you use an authorized dealer. But a 12-year will give you a whole new unit promise from Daikin is the kind of backup that lets a homeowner sleep through a heat wave. The verdict? I'm putting my money on the Daikin DX9VC. It wins because it combines the best-in-class 22.5 SEER2 efficiency with an unbeatable 12-year replacement warranty. While both units have the louvered protection I demand, the Daikin is an American-made workhorse that offers a significantly higher efficiency ceiling and a longer safety net for your wallet. Shop like a pro. Use the head-to-head tool on the HVAC for Beginners website before you sign any contract.